If you've been looking for easy videos to learn how to solve a Rubik's Cube for fun and not speed, then I might have what you're looking for. For years, I thought it would be fun to learn how to solve a puzzle like the Rubik's Cube myself. Recently, I wasted weeks and weeks trying to find videos to learn how to do this, but only found lessons that were confusing or just full of memorizing tons of patterns and algorithms. Not my style, not a good fit. I want to share with you about an easy step-by-step online video course that I created to help beginners and people who just want to have fun to learn how to solve the cube at their own pace. It's not a speed cube course, but students who learned all the steps have been able to solve it in less than 5 minutes with time to spare. I like helping people achieve goals like this one so they can have fun and understanding. There are patterns to learn, but not very many, which is why this course is for beginners or people who just want to learn to do this for fun. If you are looking for a course to learn how to solve a Rubik's Cube for fun and not speed, follow the link. Use the coupon code 85OFFSPCL and get the course today and save 85% off the regular price. Again, follow the link. Use the coupon code 85OFFSPCL and get the course today and save 85% off the regular price. The coupon is only good until December 25th.